Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner, and it gives us access to advanced camera settings. So for now let's slide a little bit down to other settings, and at the first place we have here grid. So by tapping on this we can turn it on and off, and as you can see we have pretty wide spectrum here to pick. We can pick from 3 and 3 grid lines and spiral with right or left option, so this is really cool here. So for now I'm going to show you 3 and 3. And as you can see, it generates as these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. So let's go back and change it to the spiral. So for now I'm going to pick right spiral. And as you can see, this is how it looks like here. Also, the important information is that these grid lines are not visible at the picture. So these are the help lines only to help us to making better pictures. So let me take a photo to show you. And as you can see here, we can see it. So these are only help lines. And we can change it also to the left spiral here. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. And also to turn it off, we go back to the settings, tap on this and pick the off option here, and for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.